Well, I thought I'd do another little short video on a specific tool that is almost guaranteed to improve the quality of your work. What is that tool? Well, we're going to get to that. This is a tool that I was first introduced to by Ernie Dorrell, who was teaching a class at the John C. Campbell Folk School on Gothic ironwork. And this is a tool that he very seriously presented to us and told us that it would improve our work. And he was right. It's a very simple tool. Most of you probably already own this tool. You just never thought of it as a blacksmithing tool. While we were taking that class at the folk school, Ernie handed the tool out to each of us. He had one for everybody. And he instructed us very carefully on the use of this tool. He instructed us to hold the tool between our thumb and our forefinger and to very gently insert that tool into the corner of your mouth and hold it between your teeth. That's right, it's nothing but a simple toothpick. So what's the point? Why is this going to improve your work? Ernie went on to explain that you never see anybody sitting on a fence, on a hay bale, with a toothpick between their mouth that's in a hurry. And that's the key right there, is don't get in too much of a hurry. It's really easy to feel like we have a deadline. I got to get this done before tomorrow. I got to get it done because the sun is setting and I want to have it done today before it gets dark in the shop. Whatever the reason is, we tend to be in a hurry. And that means we don't always do our best work. If you can slow down by putting a toothpick between your teeth, you're liable to do better work. Now, most of the work we were doing in that class was chasing work with small chisels under a treadle hammer, and you spent hours under the treadle hammer going thump, 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 chasing small sheet metal parts and doing very delicate lines. And being able to slow down and not be in a hurry and pay attention to where you were putting those lines really makes a difference in the quality of work. And does a toothpick really make you slow down? Is it something magical? Well, probably not. It probably is all up here because every time you move that toothpick around in your mouth and chew on it a little bit, it reminds you, oh yeah, I'm supposed to slow down. And then you pay more attention to your work. You make fewer mistakes. In the fire service, somebody had once coined a phrase that slow is smooth and smooth is fast. And that's a good way to look at it. If you make fewer mistakes, if you take your time and do meticulous work, you're not going to have to fix it later. You're not going to be trying to figure out how do I straighten it, how do I get these ugly marks out of it that I didn't mean to leave in the first place. And in the long run, that means you probably get the work done a little sooner and a little better. So get yourself some toothpicks, keep them in the shop, put them in a drawer the mice won't get into, and then relax a little bit. Take your time, do good work, improve, but still challenge yourself, still get out to the shop, be safe, don't swallow the toothpick, and wear your safety glasses. We'll see you next time.